Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. First of all, I would like to thank you all for the appreciations and encouragements. So let us move towards our unit 3, which is social basis of framing curriculum in education, and this is of course 202. Do watch this video till the end because these MCQs are important from the exam point of view, even if it is a theory exam or your MCQ test. So we will go one by one for the 25 MCQs. MCQ number 1, which of the following means having complete political freedom and being the supreme authority? So this MCQ is based on constitutional values. So if you see the options, they are fraternity, equality, sovereignty and unity of nation. So you have to find out the constitutional value which suits the best for the question given. The correct option is option C, sovereignty. It implies that India is internally all powerful and externally free. It is free to determine for itself without any external interference, and nobody is there within to challenge its authority. MCQ number 2, which of the following constitutional value aimed at promoting social change and transformation to end all forms of inequalities? As you can see the word social change and transformation, you can easily guess the correct option is B, socialism. We will move towards our next MCQ. MCQ number 3. Which of the following constitutional value implies that our country is not guided by one religion or any religious considerations? As you can see, the options are secularism, democracy, justice, sovereignty. We have already seen about sovereignty. We know about democracy, we know about justice. So the correct option is secularism. Even if you are not aware about the words democracy and justice, we will look about that in our coming MCQs. So the correct option is A, secularism. Moving towards our MCQ number 4. Which of the constitutional values stands for the spirit of common brotherhood among all the people of India? So as you can see, the word brotherhood is associated with fraternity. So the correct option is B, fraternity. MCQ number 5. Which of the following constitutional value implies that the people elect the rulers of the country and the elected representatives remain accountable to the people? And the options are A, republic, B, democracy, C, liberty and D, justice. So what do you think is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is B, democracy, as it is popularly known like one man, one vote. Moving towards our MCQ number 6. Which of the following constitutional value aims at maintaining just and honorable relations between nations? As you can see, the options are liberty, justice, dignity of the individual, international peace. Here we are talking about relations between the nations. So the correct option is D, international peace. The Indian Constitution directs the statements to promote international peace and security, maintain just and honorable relations between nations, foster respect for international law and treaty obligations, and encourage settlement of international disputes by arbitration. So these are all the statements included in this constitutional value. We'll move towards MCQ number 7. Which of the following means one cultural identity does not dominate all other identities? The correct option is A, multiculturalism. So what happens in multiculturalism? People are able to participate in their faith community without denying or hiding their cultural identities. That the role of cultural identity is a part of prophetic ministry, and that leaders have the competency to understand how their multiple identities and socialization influence their values, attitudes, beliefs, behavior, and interaction with others. So this word first appeared in Canada and Australia in the early 1970s, where these countries had to deal with the concerns of immigrant and minority groups. Our next MCQ is MCQ number 8. Who gave the famous slogan educate, agitate and organize? And the options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and D. None of the above. So let me tell you first. This famous slogan is given by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and these are the three steps we can say, like educate, agitate and organize. What is educate? Because one can safely assume that a person is not in the proper sense until he is educated. So that's why this is a very important step. Next is agitate and the third one is organize. So yes, the correct option is C, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. MCQ number 9. According to which of the following thinker, literacy is neither the beginning nor the end of education? As you can see, the options are same as we have seen in MCQ number 8. And the correct option is A, Mahatma Gandhi. According to him, this is only a means through which a man or woman can be educated. He wants that type of education which should develop all capacities of the child. So we'll move towards our next MCQ. MCQ number 10. Which of the following thinkers described education as a reformatory and expensive process which seeks to unfold all that is good and noble to the individual? Again, we have same set of options. The options are Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and none of the above. So according to Rabindranath Tagore, education is a reformatory and expensive process which seeks to unfold all that is good and noble to the individual. According to him only, it is not like a painful hospital treatment of curing students of the malady of their ignorance, but it is a formation of health and the natural expression of their minds. So yes, the correct option is B, Rabindranath Tagore. Let us see MCQ number 11. Which of the following country has the lengthiest constitution in the world? And you can see the options are India, USA, France and Japan. And the correct option is A, India. So as an Indian, we should be proud of ourselves. At around 444 articles that are divided into 22 parts and 12 schedules, India's constitution stands considerably larger than most other constitutions. United Nations Constitution is the shortest written constitution with just 7 articles. So we'll move towards our next MCQ. MCQ number 12. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? So as you can see, the options are N. Gopalswamy, K. M. Munshi, N. Madhva Rao and Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. So here the correct option is D, Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. So we'll see our next MCQ, MCQ number 13. Which of the three words were added later to the preamble? And the options are A. Justice, liberty, equality. B. Socialist, republic, justice. C. Sovereign, fraternity, political. And D. Secular, socialist, integrity. So the correct option is D. Secular, socialist and integrity. These words were added through the 42nd Amendment Act in 1976. MCQ number 14. What does the word socialist mean? We'll go through the options one by one as they are lengthy. Option A, absolutely independent. Option B, system of political economy that ensures equitable distribution of wealth and protects from exploitation. Option C, having no official state religion and granting every citizen the right to freely follow any religion of his or her choice. Option D, having democratic form of government that grants equal voting rights to every single citizen. So the correct option is B, system of political economy that ensures equitable distribution of wealth and protects from exploitation. We'll move towards MCQ number 15. Which of the following liberties is sought to be secured to the citizens of India in the preamble? Let us go through the options one by one. Option A, thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. B, thought, expression, belief and faith. C, expression, belief, faith and worship. D, thought, expression, faith and worship. So as you can see, the options B, C, D are including the words thought, expression, belief, faith, worship, but option A is the only option which is including all of these five words. So the correct option is A, thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. So this was the logic behind this MCQ. Moving towards MCQ number 16, by which amendment of the Constitution were the words socialist and secular added to its preamble? And as you can see, the options are very formal and you cannot use your logic for this. You need to use your memory, and the options are A, 42nd, B, 43rd, C, 44th and D, 45th. And the correct option is A, 42nd. So we'll move towards our next MCQ. MCQ number 17. The Constitution of India describes India as, and you have now a set of 4 options which are quite confusing. So the options are A, a union of states. Option B, quasi-federal. Option C, a federation of states and union territories. Option D, a unitary state. But the correct option is a union of states. Moving towards MCQ number 18. The second step in the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's famous slogan, educate, agitate and organization, does not mean. Please read carefully the MCQ. And the options are A, to go out and start protesting violently on the streets. Option B, to do mental revolution. Option C, none of them, and D is both of them. So if you see, it does not mean to go out and start protesting violently on the streets. So yes, the correct option is A, to go out and start protesting violently on the streets. So according to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, after getting educated, we should start agitating mentally. We need an agitation of thoughts in our mind in order to move to the next stage, which is organize. So as you can see, we are talking about the second stage, which is called agitate, which is from the slogan educate, agitate and organize. Moving towards our next MCQ, MCQ number 19. Multiculturalism is related to a social or educational theory or program that encourages interest in many cultures within a society rather than in only a mainstream culture. This definition is given by. So as you can see, the options are A, American Heritage Dictionary, B, Fleras and Eliot Jail, C, Mahatma Gandhi and D, Rabindranath Tagore. So this MCQ is based on the definition given by the dictionary or the thinkers given in the option. So you need to memorize it, and the correct option is A, American Heritage Dictionary. Now we'll move towards our next MCQ, which is MCQ number 20. Multiculturalism is a set of principles, policies and practices for accommodating diversity as a legitimate and integral component of society. This definition is given by, again we have the same set of options here. In the previous MCQ, the correct option was American Heritage Dictionary. So this option cannot be the correct answer. And next option is Fleras and Eliot Jail, then Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore. So the correct option is B, Fleras and Eliot Jail. MCQ number 21. Where does the word multiculturalism first appeared? As I've previously discussed about this word appeared in Canada and Australia. So the correct option is B, Canada and Australia. MCQ number 22. According to which of the following thinkers mother tongue makes the process of education natural and meaningful? And the options are Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and none of the above. So let me tell you, it was Mahatma Gandhi. According to him, he is against English to be made as the medium of instruction. Referring to English medium, he remarks it has sapped the energy of the nation. So yes, the correct option is A, Mahatma Gandhi. MCQ number 23. I must cling to my mother tongue as to my mother's breast, in spite of its shortcomings. It can give me the life-giving milk. These words are given by, again, this words are related to mother tongue, and the options are Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and D, none of the above. And the correct option is A, Mahatma Gandhi. MCQ number 24. According to which of the following thinkers man becomes a rational animal when he is educated? And the options are Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, none of the above. So we are revolving around the same set of thinkers again and again. And the correct option is C, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. According to him, it is through education that knowledge and information received and spread through the world. An uneducated person cannot read and write, and hence he is close to all the knowledge and wisdom he can gain through books and other mediums. In other words, he shut off from the outside world. So we'll move towards our MCQ number 25. The 3H according to Mahatma Gandhi means. So it was Mahatma Gandhi who innovated the idea. So the options are head, heart and hand, habit, human hope, head, human hope and hand, heart, hope. So you can see the options, some are very awkward. So if you see the option A, head, heart and hand, these are all the parts of a body. So yes, the option A, head, heart and hand is the correct option. Thank you so much for watching this video. For the previous video links, you can go through the description box of this video itself. And I hope you are liking my videos as well. And in case if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please go and do subscribe now.